Here he comes. Hello, ninja. Excuse. Alright, let's go, ninja. There you go. Oh, your paws. Oh, you're getting my sweatshirt dirty. That's not fun. Don't even worry about it. Open the door. Oh, your paws are so gross. This sweatshirt now needs completely washed. I hear meowing. That's insane. Do you hear the meowing? Oh, it's another cat. Hello. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm gonna stop giving you attention now. Okay, bye. Dude, you're so cute. What the heck? Alright, I'm gonna go. He doesn't want to walk in the mud. Look, it's Ninja. We're gonna replace my sweatshirt. Alright, as my replacement, I've got this blue one that you may or may not remember. Alright, we are all changed. Alright, we're in the barn now, so... Hey, you. Oh, what? Yeah, you. Shut up! Hello? I'm from the future. Who are you? Yeah, prove it. You're about to feel something. What am I gonna feel? Ow! Did you feel that? Obviously! Told you. Okay, I believe you now. Good. So, what do you want? Why are you here? I wanted to tell you to upload on the Brofilms channel. I suppose it's been a while. Plus I have the materials to do it comfortably finally. Yeah, that computer's a life changer with editing, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the future now. That was neat. Alright, so it's currently like 5 o'clock and I was just taking off my keycaps because my keyboard is absolutely disgusting. So here we are, pulling keycaps from my keyboard. Alright, I just took off the F keys, F1, F2, F3, F4. Just gonna scoot those to the side. You can already see there's some dog hair in there, kind of nasty, so we're gonna get a Q-tip and then kind of dust that out once we're all done taking all this stuff off. One, two, that was it. And there we go. It's kind of dark though, sorry. But that's the keyboard when the keys are off. You don't see that very often. Alright, we're getting a Q-tip because that's not actually working very well. Yeah. I don't know how many you'll need, but probably not many. I expect them to start ripping because the keys are kind of sharp on the edges. That's why I grabbed kind of a lot. Alright, that was really it. And I have to make time for me to edit this video, so I'm gonna end it right here.